Today we're going to explore how to create a list of your student login information, including usernames, emails, and passwords. So once you've signed in to SIS, which you can see I've done here, this is actually my rosters from last year. What you're going to do is find this icon here. It'll show you your class roster, or you can use this one to select them all. I'm going to isolate just one class here. And you can see it comes in with the basic information. Up here at the top you have your options. You can get all of the students. Again, here if you realize after you just selected one that you wanted to get them all after all, you can use this to select all of those. You can get all by homeroom teacher, so on and so forth. Right here when you see the square with the vertical columns, the one on the far left is green, that's select columns to display. You click on this, and what it's going to do is bring you in here where you have, these are the sections that are visible. These over here are all of your different options. The first one you're probably going to want is the student emails. And so you scroll down alphabetically to student email, click this. This section here, this button with a triangle pointing to the left, that is the add button. When I click that, it brings student email from that side to this side, so it's going to be visible now. The next thing you want is to scroll up to the end section where you'll find net login. The net login here is the network login, and basically that's the prefix of each student email. So it gets rid of the domain name @rapec.org and just has that first section called the prefix. The next thing you'll want is the network password. Now I'm going to take that back off because I don't want to disclose my students' email passwords and network passwords to the world. So I took that off. We are now ready to click done. You would obviously keep the password there. Click done. And now at this point you can see we have student names, we have student emails, and their net login. Just like I was telling you, this section here, we have the student's email, take off the actual suffix or domain name, and we have their username. Alright, so at this point in time we're finished and we're ready to click print. The print button is right up here, looks like a little printer. When you click that, it's going to ask you some basic information. I highly suggest you go with landscape on this particular report because it keeps each student's information all on one page. Now you're probably going to have multiple pages worth of students, but at least their information will be all in one place. So at that point, click Start Report, and your report is generated. Of course, you would then see, their information over here with their username and passwords. That's it. That's all there is to it. Hope that helps, and enjoy your year of teaching.